it's your girl. I'm sitting in the truck right now, and Panera just delivered. I know it's dark. There we go. Panera just delivered my food to me. Y'all thought I was playing, didn't it? No. So let me give you a quick update. So, I want to make sure you see me. So I called the company and they just told me, they got back with me and let me know that they're going to send somebody out here in about an hour to go and clean everything off the top of the truck so I can get going. Just got to wait till that train moves. So, guess what? By the time they get here in an hour, woo-de-woo-de-woo. Now, y'all know your girl get Panera bread delivered to the truck. Now, you know I got it going on. Thank you, Jesus. So, I got my baguette right there. Yep. Y'all know how I do my salad, right? That's my salad. Yeah. We're going to tear that up. I got my avocados, my pepperoni, my red onions, my almonds, my calamata. Did I pronounce that right? Olives in there. I guess they put my cilantro hummus in there. But your girl finna get busy. You see what I'm saying? So, yeah. So when they get here and get ready to start cleaning the top off, then I'll give y'all guys a little peek at it. But right now, your girl got to say bye. I'll holler, because Panera bread has arrived. Just at where I'm sitting, it's time to eat. Hey, oh yeah, sorry. I ordered me a smoothie as well. This is a blueberry and peach smoothie with almond milk. Catch it. All right, and then of course, I've been trying to fight this devil right here. But this chocolate chipper cookie, I've been in prayer. I've been in prayer. So don't judge me, cause that cookie got a hold to me. It's the chocolate chipper. It got a hold to me. So that's what all came in my bag. Your girlfriend to get busy, so y'all don't need to see what I'm about to do to this food. It's a crime, and I'm afraid you might call the police on me. All right? So I'm going to give you an update later and show you what's going on with the truck. But other than that, your girl's sitting right here eating, and I'm watching videos. All right? Holler at you later. Oh, I'm chiming in right quick because I forgot to tell you I got my 10 vegetable soup. All right? I holler. Panera. Got you. So as you can see, he's up there getting the snow off right now. And on the ground, you can see it's quite a bit. So he got a ladder in the back of the truck, and he went up there, and he's getting it off now. Hi! Oh, so it is a lot up there. You tired of trying to rest, ain't you? hey, look, when he got here, he was like, it don't seem like much up there. It don't seem like much up there. I was like, okay, sir, you do what you got to do. Now I see you up there taking a break, trying to breathe. Listen, he said, it ain't that much. I said, okay. Hey, you're the man anyway, whatever. But did we not just see him take a breath? Oh, yeah. Look, he said he old. Are we going to let that be an excuse? No! This is about some of the quickest money he can ever make. Oh, yeah, see, that's your fault. But you know what you said? Oh, snow on top. You stay here and do this right here. But see, you need to call him right now. He said he got a 28-year-old son that's supposed to be doing it. And so I told him, you need to call him. But I'm sure he's going to get paid very lovely for coming out and doing that. See what I'm saying? So I just wanted to show you guys a little process right there. Soon as he get done, by the time he get done, I should be through with the rest of my salad. You know, because I was watching videos and stuff. All right, so I'm going to holler at you guys later. I just wanted y'all to see the process. Woo! And then I'll let y'all zoom in when we're completely done. All right, got to get back to my salad. Peace. My company's motto. Well, Bennett, but their motto is safety is priority one. Yep. Y'all, he almost done. And yes, he is on his knees, but we're not gonna hold that against him. He said this is the first time he's ever did a call like this, but he does know about the law about it though. So he's almost done though. Look at all that he's done back there. Look at all that snow on the ground. So we wasn't just over exaggerating about this. This was an issue. And it would have been an issue for another driver down the road. So, you tired? You see, he taking a break now. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, you got your workout today, so you ain't got to worry about nothing. You did that. He said, ooh, did you see it? He said, ooh. Oh yeah, he's getting in there. Look at all that snow on that ground, y'all. Look at all that snow. It was piled up for real. But imagine, guys. Oh, I'm glad I got that shot. But imagine, all of this snow would have went back in the driver's face. Look at all that. So now I think, now that you guys see it, now you can understand, and I don't want to get hit by the snow, but now you can understand the reasoning behind why they needed to get all this off. Because all of this could have, it had to go somewhere. It wasn't going to stay up that long going down the road, stopping, and all that stuff. So look at all that snow right there on the side right there. Look at that. Look at that. Bam! But he almost done though. All that snow would have been in another driver's face if a lot of it didn't fall in front of me. So now you get to see it for yourself. Wow, that is a lot of snow. A lot of snow. Look at that snow, you guys. All that snow. Look at that. That is a lot. But he's almost done. That's a 24-foot trailer right there. All right. We'll let him finish up, and then I'm going to have a little powwow with you guys. All right? What's your name? Tim. And what you are? That's boss lady right there. That's boss lady. All right, that's Tim and Tim's wife. And this is their business, 4D Mobile Repair, LLC. So if you're ever in Denver, Colorado, make sure you look these guys up because they go where no man will go. Or woman. Look, I love the way he be bringing you in. You better not divorce this man.
Never.
Oh, baby. He makes sure he don't leave mama out. I know that's right. That means you have done something very well for him to appreciate you, ma'am. I'm telling you. Because he has not let me leave you out at all. You hear me? So that's Tim, and this is 4D's Mobile Repair LLC. They're in Denver, Colorado. And, hey, he came out and did something because they don't even have a label or a title for what he just did. So he said he called it stupidity. So he got me going. He gonna write down the information. I'm gonna sign whatever I'm gonna sign. And hey, y'all got any business cards in there with your name on it and your number? Because any other driver and drive away, if you're out here in Denver, these might be some guys that you could probably call to come and you run out of gas, which you know you should not run out of gas. Or something happened to one of these trucks. You might be wanting to call them and let them know. Ooh, look at this. She giving me pins. Ooh, girl, you making me feel fancy now. Girl, I feel fancy now. So I'm gonna put up these business cards so you guys can see it later. Let me see if I can get it some light. Yeah, there we go. So can y'all see that? Right there? Yeah, so y'all write that information down. Oh, they out of Week, but I'm in Denver, so they came out of Week Ridge anyway, help me. 24-hour mobile service. All right? So y'all come and get them, and then they gave me these nice, lovely pens. These ain't no cheap pens either. You see what they gave me? You know I'm gonna utilize that. Now Tim got that paperwork, he wanna get paid now. Tim!
No, they got a charge account.
Hey, they got a charge account. Hey, that's all. Hey, this the part of the job I like. What you want me to sign? Now this a doctor's signature. Don't be selling this on eBay, okay?
You be careful.
Hey Tim, I sure thank you. Hey, bye wifey. I love you too. See, I can't say that to your man and not to you. All right, so they are done. That's all the snow. Now I'm gonna finish my salad and we're gonna go. All right, but I'm gonna holler at you guys right before I pull off, because I want to share some information. I'm about to go, now that you've seen the snow, and it's time to go make that money.